Hi, I'm Philip Lawrence, and this is a video tutorial on how to add type hinting and code completion for Adobe Launch in JetBrains WebStorm IDE. Now, as you can see here, I have a very basic extension set up from the scaffolding tool with a configuration view and an action. When I start to type the window.extension bridge, no type hinting is available. This is because the object's definition does not exist within the project. So when I go to set up the code editor method, you can see it doesn't tell me what settings to pass in. Similarly, when I set up a rule action, the turbine object is not type hinted. To set this up, we'll go to File, Settings, Languages and Frameworks, JavaScript, and then Libraries. On the right side of the screen, click the Add button. Then on the new library window, click the plus icon to the right, followed by Attach Files. From there, navigate to the turbine.js file from the repository and add it to the library. You can change the name and version if you'd like, but leave the framework type as custom. Additionally, you can change the visibility of this dummy file to be just for this one project, or you can make it global if you're developing several launch extensions. Finally, at the bottom, you can add documentation URLs if you'd like, which allows for a quick jump to Adobe's developer docs. Hit OK, then Apply, and then OK one more time. Be sure you hit the Apply button, otherwise your settings will not be saved. Now you can see that the turbine variable is being hinted and code completion is now available. Additionally, you can see the various methods now parameter hint with a friendly name and information about that parameter. The same thing happens with the extension bridge object. In this case, you can see the options object is being hinted with the tokenized property as an optional boolean. This happens for all the various methods on the turbine and extension bridge objects. You can learn more about this dummy file on the GitHub repository or on my blog, mrphilip.com. Links will be included in the description below.